Welcome back to part 2 of this 3 o'clock trade session. So I have a 3:15, well 3:30, 3:45, and a 4 o'clock trade on at the moment. You can see those right here, and I just finished out the 15. This trade session right here. Entered on this candle. You can see it was in the money. Just go back and watch that last video. You can see that. Alright, so we're breaking out on the 5, the 15, and on the 30, the 1 hours. Okay with that. The 4 hours. Ready to support that. So everything is looking good. And the price is still rising. So we're looking good all around, and I'm thankful for that. This is a temporary pullback into support, and technically you could buy the next expiry on this candle here. We have on this what looks like it is getting ready to possibly pull back into support, meaning that we may be at a top here. It could give us another leg into this uptrend. In essence, we would wait for the big pullback and trade it as long as we are still uptrending on these higher time frames, which most likely there's a really good chance that we will be. So you can see that the 30 closed in the money, right? You can see that it's closed above this line. So this is getting ready to do a bigger pullback here, and whether that pullback turns into a downtrend or whether the uptrend remains intact is still to be seen. So you can see that it's you can see how it's kind of going sideways here. We are at a top, at least momentarily. So I'm gonna expand the 5-minute and just get a different view of what this is doing. So I'm seeing this the 5-minute. When I look at it, it has me thinking go short coming up here potentially. That's really going to be dependent on what the 15 does. And so I forgot to change the amounts on this, but it's profit either way. So, and there's always another opportunity to add more, right? So, so I'm going to flip back over here to the 15. Alright, so that one just closed in the money, and there's one trade left on this. We are still currently uptrending, and it's looking like we're going to continue to do that. Yeah, actually, a minute ago I said that the 5 had me thinking to go short, but scratch that, because I'm looking at it differently now, and I can see a different type of momentum in the chart. So from here to here, that was correct in thinking to go short. This one is not, though. This is the actual breakout. Not to say that it won't drop. You know, you could still see a downtrend on this 1 minute, where this is doing a minor pullback, or it could actually be pulling back even more. It's just, you know, it's something to watch. You know, when you see it, you'll know it, and you act. You act without hesitation, without fear, without second guessing it. And you just act without, you know, emotion. You see it and you just act. So we're still looking good on this one. We have a little bit of time left here. Actually, about 14 more minutes, and we'll be done. So we have about 10 minutes left here, and we are very strongly uptrending, as you can see. So that was a beautiful breakout. Excellent trade, excellent trade, excellent. Awesome. Awesome. It was a beautiful setup. So easy to see. Traded the first pullback when we saw that support was holding here. We got in, and this is just looking great. So outstanding, right? Outstanding. So I'm going to go ahead and let this finish out, and I'm going to end this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. 5 minutes left on this. And if you look at the strike rate, 468, and we're at 517, so it's looking real good. You can see that the momentum is starting to wane, or actually, it could go either way right here, but that trade just closed out. They were all in the money, 100% on 4 trades. Awesome. So 4 trades a day, and you're qualified for the day trader tax write-off, and that's profit right there. So this is a strong uptrend, and this could cross, and then we could see another push to the upside as this trend continues on. But it's really just minute by minute, play by play to determine if that's really what's going to happen. You know, I just stay in the moment when I'm trading. You know, it's always good to have an intention or a plan for the next day, like the way some traders, you know, plan their day the day before, the night before. Sometimes though, well, majority of the time for me, you know, I can see the benefit in doing that, but I also see a benefit in staying flexible. So I just try to stay flexible with it. Just one day at a time. You know, what is the market doing right now? You know, I can trade at any time as long as I can identify how this is trending. So that's what I do, is I identify the trend, whether it's at the beginning, which is where I like to catch it. If it's at the end, means I'm fixing to catch the beginning of a trend or a continuation of the trend, right? And anyways, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to get off of here. But if you watched this whole thing to the end, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. If you're interested in getting signals, you can do that for one time 250, or you can do 120 down and 47 a month. So just talk to me if you're interested. And I'll see you on the next webinar or the next video. Talk to you then. Bye-bye.